Your iPad is light, user-friendly, and convenient, but your PC is where most of the heavy-duty work happens. With VDI Works Fast Remote Desktop, you can have the best of both worlds. VDI Works Fast Remote Desktop enables the remote access of Windows Desktop through an iPad from anywhere around the world. Only the user experience is ported over while leaving all the heavy processing back at the personal computer. Regardless of what your content encoding is, Fast Remote Desktop will port your desktop to your hands. Pull up thousands of documents and dozens of applications installed on your PC right from your iPad. Now there's even less reason to carry your heavy laptop while traveling. VDI Works Fast Remote Desktop, or FRD, easily finds all of your machines with which a connection can be established. Each discovered computer is then listed for the user to easily select and connect. The user is able to configure his experience based on a variety of different options to get the best possible experience. Users can adjust performance and display settings based on their connection quality and application requirements. With full virtual keyboard support, the user can easily navigate to their desired applications without being limited by application compatibility issues or certain applications' inability to run through a standard remoting protocol. Simply use standard iPad hand gestures in a Windows desktop environment. VDI Works Fast Remote Desktop has been ranked as the top 10 iPad utility in the iTunes Store globally. Now that's called having the best of both worlds.